how to remove Lemon8 linked on TikTok. The first things first is this is gonna be only applicable for the users who have already added or maybe linked their Lemonade account to their TikTok account. So first thing you want to do is head over to your TikTok account and make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app for you to be able to get away from the issues or craps that's gonna be happening on your app. So once you're here, just head directly to your profile and you should be able to see three options in here like edit profile, share profile, and the profile icon. Now just tap on edit profile. Now in here, if you scroll down a bit under bio, so you should be able to see links. Now tap on that. Now this is where your Lemonade will be visible if you connected your Lemonade account. So removing it or unlinking it is very easy. All you have to do is just tap the Lemonade that is indicated here and you should be able to find that option to be removed. Now once everything is confirmed, you will be redirected to the Lemonade's official site for you to 100% or to completely remove your Lemonade account from your TikTok. And that's it. That's how you remove Lemonade from TikTok.